Pani and I are going on a scenic drive around Banks Peninsula. Bit of pollution into the atmosphere, very good thing to do whenever you're on a conservation thing. But show them the view to Pani.
There we go. Oh, I'm really pleased right now.
Wow. Also, I like driving, it's fun.
Yeah, she does like driving.
It's true. Walking up to some apparently very nice viewpoint. We shall have to see when we get there as to whether the reports are correct. And I'm really unfit. Here comes Pani. She's been taking photos.
Of moss.
Of moss.
And you're standing right next to some native tree.
There you go. Native tree. Laverick's Peak or Bluff Viewpoint. Hope the viewpoint's not like an actual bluff, as in like it doesn't exist. That wouldn't be very nice. There's windmills on the top of the mountain. Isn't that nice? Here we are at the viewpoint. Down there's a little road we drove along. It's so quiet in here. Pani and I are nothing but noisy intruders. It's beautiful. Pani's fascinated by the moss that grows like old beards off the trees. I feel like I'm back in Costa Rica and at any minute a troop of monkeys is gonna come over the trees above me and send a whole bunch of leaves crashing down on me. But there are no monkeys here. We're coming out of the woods, almost at the top. Wow. Wow. We made it to the windmill. It's just a bank of cloud the whole way to the horizon. And over there is where I live.